2021 is almost in the rearview, and with that comes stocks of what you achieved, and resolutions to do better. Well, one New Year resolution you can make right here, and now is to be wiser in your investments, and I can help. I'm here to help you make the right decisions that would help grow your portfolio in 2022, and also to help you wave goodbye to living paycheck to paycheck. So in the light of that, we're talking about the 5 coins you should invest in 2022. Let's get it. Hi there. I am glad to welcome you to another Bashbox video. Kindly take a minute to hit the like and subscribe button. We thank every subscriber and all our loyal viewers so far. To get daily updates on Shiba Inu and other crypto-related news, hit the notification bell, not to miss an important information. With that being said, let's get right to it. The number 1 goes to Ethereum. Ethereum is an easy bet for success in 2022 for so many reasons. To begin with, it's got a massive market capitalization, making it one of the safer investments in the space. In other words, its high market cap means it's reputable, and has a lot of money to work with. And given the roadmap for Ethereum for the next year, it's hard to say ETH isn't one of the best cryptos to buy for 2022. As far as NFT cryptos go, Ethereum is the cream of the crop. The network serves as home base to nearly the entire NFT industry, with 97% of total NFT sales occurring on its network. In a market of dozens of large blockchain networks with smart contract capabilities, that market share is jaw-dropping. And seeing as the NFT industry is only getting hotter, Ethereum is an easy pick to turn to in order to cash in. As ubiquitous as Ethereum is, you don't have to worry about looking hard to find where to buy it. The coin is available on any exchange worth its salt. Some of the most popular exchanges for it are Binance, CCC, BNB-USD, FTX, Coinbase, Nasdaq, Coin, and KuCoin, CCC, KCS-USD. So number 2, let me peer into the future for this. The future says, Decentraland. Decentraland's Mana token is already having a great 2021. The metaverse is finally coming into mainstream interest after the project spent 4 years building out its product. Now, 2022 looks like it will be the year of virtual reality, and Decentraland is set to lead the pack. The metaverse is certainly not a new thing. Virtual reality hangouts are becoming a serious interest in the wake of Facebook's Meta rebrand. With one of the largest tech companies in the world going all in on this niche, investors figure there must really be some substance and potential there. Users can go anywhere they want in the metaverse, play games, hang out with friends, and even go to virtual live events. They can also passively earn income by minting NFTs on the network and selling them. As the metaverse continues to grow in 2022, Decentraland's Mana will be at the front of the pack, already in the top 25 cryptos by market cap. If you'd like to get in on Mana before it heats up even more, there are plenty of options. Most popularly, users trade the token on Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, and KuCoin. So let's go to number 3. Solana stands up for recognition. Solana is a hit among investors who are looking for the next big thing. The network is considered a rival to Ethereum, and it is making a case to be a worthy opponent of the monolithic project. Its foray into NFTs and its massive gains have helped prove its worth. And as more users come to blockchain tech, its scalability will be quite appealing. Indeed, Solana prides itself on its massive scalability. This scalability draws a glaring difference between Solana and Ethereum. As of right now, Ethereum can only process a few dozens transactions per second. While it works to remedy this with its merge overhaul, Solana is presenting an immediate alternative. According to developers, Solana is capable of handling 50,000 transactions per second. There are a whopping 68 million crypto hardware wallets right now, a number which helps to pin down the number of network users. Additionally, developers expect this figure to grow massively through the next year and beyond. Indeed, more and more networks are making their services mobile-friendly, which will drive more widespread adoption. If this holds true, transactions will spike in volume and networks like Solana will be crucial to accommodating the growth. Solana is also a dark horse contender in the struggle for NFT market share, but it's showing itself to be a suitable adversary of Ethereum. The launch of the Solana Apes NFTs in August saw 10,000 tokens sell out in mere minutes. The event put Solana on the map. More importantly, it helped Solana start to slowly lift market share from Ethereum. Those looking to buy SOL needn't look outside of the biggest exchanges. The coin is for sale on Huobi, Binance, Coinbase, and FTX. So number 4, reveal yourself. Uniswap. Uniswap is a candidate for the next crypto to blow in 2022 due in large part to increasing interest in DeFi. Finance can be a very tricky thing. Many people want to passively earn income on their existing assets, but they want access to those assets in the process. Some people can't even open a bank account due to personal circumstances, keeping them from having a chance to earn. And some people simply don't like the red tape and fees associated with traditional banking. Well, Uniswap is presenting investors with a way to circumvent traditional banking in favor of something more independent and oftentimes even more lucrative. As a DeFi protocol, Uniswap allows users to earn passive income on their crypto assets. When one loads their assets onto the Uniswap protocol, they can stake their coins and tokens for passive rewards. These oftentimes garner a higher annual percentage yield than a traditional savings account. Moreover, users can withdraw their funds anytime they want. This allows the protocol to work with the user's schedule, not the other way around. The Uniswap Decentralized Exchange, DEX, is what the protocol is best known for. It is an automated market maker, AMM, meaning it algorithmically matches buyers and sellers to ensure liquidity. One of the most appealing factors driving investors toward Uniswap is the protocol's willingness to change and adapt to the desires of its users. Since its exchange's launch in 2018, the protocol has upgraded twice. The Uniswap v3 launch occurred in May 2021 and saw implementation of a concentrated liquidity offering, which both increases the efficiency of trade execution while also minting unique NFTs for liquidity providers. Of course, you can buy the Uni token on the Uniswap DEX itself. However, if you don't have any existing crypto holdings, you'll need to first buy a stablecoin somewhere else. This is because DEXs don't allow fiat trading. As an alternative, you can also buy Uni on Binance, Huobi, Coinbase, or FTX. And the last on this list is a customer we all know and love. The one who started all these. Although it's been around for over a decade, it's just getting started with some of the most unprecedented gains. You guessed it, Bitcoin. BTC is far and away the largest asset at the disposal of a crypto investor. Bitcoin's market cap actually accounts for about 40% of the entire industries. As such, it's not so much a weather vane for the market, but rather a steering wheel. If Bitcoin is on the rise, one can count on the crypto class being relatively bullish. But if Bitcoin is down, all bets are off. We've seen just that over the summer, when Bitcoin values tanked and brought almost every digital currency down with it. When you put money in Bitcoin, you are putting money on the success of the entire industry. Not to mention, Bitcoin has delivered wild gains. This year alone, the coin rocketed from under $30,000 to just under $70,000. It doesn't look like it's slowing down either. In fact, many analysts are expecting BTC to rise to astonishing levels. So cheers to a great year ahead, spent in good health and in money. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder: if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.